Welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. Today we are going to look at some tips to deal with the finger pain. My first experience with finger pain was during my first few weeks on ukulele. Man, it really hurts. The next time when I started playing guitarlele, the pain again became part of the journey. Usually, guitarlele has thicker strings than ukulele and comes with metal wound nylon strings, which adds to the pain. Actually, many people give up on guitar and ukulele just because of the finger pain. But I think people should not stop playing guitar or ukulele or guitarlele or any beautiful instrument just because of the finger pain. Finger pain can be avoided by following some tips. First one is don't press the strings until needed. For example, during anchor finger practice and chord check exercise, you really don't need to press. Place your fingers first in the correct position and then when you need to strum, press the strings. Another thing, and that's the second tip, which is just press enough to produce a nice ringing note. Don't press harder than that and try to keep your fingers as much close to the fretboard as possible. The better your positions of the fingers are, the less pressure you need to exert on the strings and the less it's gonna hurt. Coming to tip 3, space your practice throughout the week and throughout the day. My recommendation would be to practice for 4 days a week, 20 to 30 minutes a day, 5 to 10 minutes in each session. For example, you can practice on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and on each day, 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and 5 to 10 minutes in the evening. If you really want to practice more, don't double the time. Instead, double the practice sessions. Like, instead of practicing 10 to 20 minutes of 2 sessions, practice for 4 sessions in a day. Or, instead of 4 days a week, practice for all 7 days. Otherwise, you may hurt your fingers and won't be able to play for few days. Now, each practice day should consist of 10 minutes playing songs or simply between chord switches. Continuously pressing down on strings for 10 minutes are gonna hurt your fingers. So, my suggestion would be to break that up too. Guitarlele playing should be a fun activity. Don't stretch or battle through your pain. When it starts hurting your finger, pause. Rub your fingers on the guitarlele body or your shirt. Give them a little bit of soft massage and only when you feel comfortable, resume playing. It's really important to not get yourself hurt or do any kind of unpleasant thing. Even if you are struggling through chord switches, simply put your instrument down. Take a break. Maybe keep it aside for a day or a week and then come back refreshed. You will make much faster progress than if you would have been holding on to it. Just remember, sweetest are the fruits which fall down in the right time.